Knock knock.
Welcome back.
Yeah, I'm back for more. Still hungry.
Parang nagustuhan mo yung luto natin, ah.
You know, I have a feeling that you feel like having Korean food.
Why not?
Yeah, kasi kanina nagkwentuhan kami ni Aaron eh. Hindi. Kasi the other day nagkwentuhan kami ni Aaron eh. And kinikwento niya sa amin na lately he's been into K-pop.
Yeah, you can say that.
I'm not an expert when it comes to Korean food, but I guess as cooks, we sort of like want to please our guests or the people we're cooking for. So we're gonna do our best to hit the K-spot.
Alright.
Okay, sige. So what we have here is we'll do a Korean pork stew. Then we'll go from there. I don't know yet. Naisip tayo. Importante lang maganda yung stove natin. May apoy tayo. We can do anything. And we can cross boundaries. May inside joke kasi kami ni Aaron eh.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Me too. Sige, later, baka pag nakakain na si Aaron.
Ang ganda ng stove.
Maganda talaga. Okay, alright. Okay, Jeric, mag-gisa tayo. Ayan, focus na tayo. Chop tayo ng onions, tapos, yung brunoise. Yung chop. Sige, pwede na yan. Tapos ako, I'll slice some carrots. Chef Jeric, mantika lang, tapos sear natin yung pork. Tapos after sear ng pork, gisa natin yung onions. Tapos gawin na natin yung sauce. So, how's life lately, Aaron?
It's been pretty exciting.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I guess so. You can say that, no?
Yeah.
Wag na tayo. I guess exciting is kind of vague in a way. Not unless we want to go deeper, pero I have a feeling baka tsaka na. That's speak in codes muna. Kasi mahirap na maudlot natin yung mga kabagay-bagay.
Totoo. Makikita nyo na lang in a future episode.
Kumaga kung sa luto pa, let it happen na lang muna. Mahirap magsabi na luluto ka ng ganito, tapos
baka iba yung lumabas eh.
Yan. So, anyways. Pero I see that you've been traveling a lot.
Yeah.
So, parang in the span of like ilang months, you've been to how many countries?
Well, at least 2. Went to Thailand and Mongolia, and then just going around here.
Right.
Yeah.
Galing, you're able to combine your passion and work.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah.
Which is motorcycles and traveling and filming.
Yeah.
Right? And sort of like things in between.
Yeah. Everything that comes with it.
Yeah. Everything that comes with it is it's a blessing, and I guess it's as they say, if it's for you, it's for you.
Exactly.
And then parang I guess you also kind of like attract what you give. So you attract like kindred spirits or like-minded people.
Yeah, for sure.
So yeah.
It's been very interesting.
Kaya like ako, personally, it's important. Ito natutunan ko kay Ninong Rai. Si Ian, yung crew niya, parang yung natutunan ko or yung takeaway ko from hanging out with Ninong Rai is that you have to have a good working relationship and chemistry with your cameraman. Because siya yung kausap mo eh. And imagine, araw-araw. Di ba, work yan eh. Kailangan, hindi rin pwede na... I guess, yun yung dahilan na si Ninong Rai is so authentic and so real because, yun nga, yung kausap niya, hindi nagsasabi, and action! Di ba? O, tuloy lang, roll lang.
Parang perform na.
Ganun. Kaya like si Aaron, minsan nga, pag hindi ako nagsasalita, nagugulat na lang ako pag pinapanood ko na yung vlog, pag siya nag-edit. Siya na nag-intro? siya na nag-usap. Naalala ko habang si Rai, Ninang Rai, habang siya, nung nag-camp tayo sa Pantabangan, naalala ko. Baba, siya na yun.
Day 3 na yun, no? Kasi late na nagising mga tao.
Okay.
Alright.
Going back to cooking, hot oil. Pag ganito na, pag masikip na, tama na yan. Huwag nyo nang dagdagan pa. Kasi you never want to overcrowd when you sear or when you fry. Kailangan yung sakto lang. If not, the temperature will go down and you're not gonna get what you want to achieve. Kumbaga. So in this case, you won't get the proper sear.
Okay, medyo matagal-tagal pa to. So, maybe relax ka muna dyan.
Okay.
Chill ka muna. Nice shirt.
Thanks. A friend gave it to me. Okay siya. Have you heard of this restaurant? Award-winning to eh.
Award-winning naman. Sear natin para ma-seal mo lahat ng mga juice sa loob ng meat. Maproseso lang, pero dagdag lasa. Kasi all that brown bits, that's all flavor. Kailangan mo na siya i-deglaze. Okay. Now, let's remove all the meat. Then, ito na yung time na maggisa tayo. Onions. Bango, no?
Yeah.
Okay, adding the garlic. So, medyo malambot-lambot na yung onions. Saka ako hinulog yung garlic. Alam mo, yung bell pepper, i-last ko na to para maganda pa yung kulay niya. Yung carrots, last ko na rin para maganda pa yung crunch niya. Kasi, we're gonna slow cook this eh. Lagay natin sa mga... Okay. So this is a kimchi base. So parang alam mo yung pag naglalagay ka ng tomato paste. Di ba pag nagluluto ka ng anything na may tomato based, mayroon tayong misconception na yung tomato paste last ilalagay or sa gitna. Mas maganda actually ilalagay mo yung tomato paste sa simula para kumbaga para mag-caramelize yung tomato paste. When you taste tomato paste, hindi siya ganun katamis. Pero if you cook it, then hence tumatamis siya because nagka-caramelize. I'm using a wooden spoon para I get to scrape off all those brown bits. Yan, no? You can only achieve this by, again, a wooden spoon. Then, since we're drinking Coke, let's add a little bit of Coke. Using the Coke, you know. So, yung kimchi paste kasi medyo maalat-alat yun eh. Kaya nilagyan ko ng Coke para to counterbalance. This is looking like a pork steak almost. Masarap siya. Lagyan ko pa ng Coke. It's actually nice. Okay, hulog ko na yung pork natin. Yung Coke will act also as a tenderizer for our meat. Ayaw ko na siya lagyan. Gusto ko lagyan pa ng tubig. Kaso lang maganda na yung lasa ng base eh. Pero pwede naman siguro konti pang tubig. Medyo... I'd say 30. 40 to be sure. Pero maganda talaga kung tagalan mo talaga. Low fire, low mo lang, and then just leave it. So while that's cooking, let's make our rice. Check out my high-tech rice cooker. It's quite new. So this is the first time we're using it. So the beauty of this rice cooker is that it has all the different settings. Brown rice. Galing. Normally, pag brown rice, pag normal na rice cooker, for me, 3 click. Ito, brown rice. Cook. 1 hour, 20 minutes. Tagal rin, no? And look at that. Congee. Really? In a rice cooker? That I have yet to try. Our main ingredient for Aaron is kimchi. K-Power for Aaron. Para may lakas siya. Kung si Pop ay may spinach, si Aaron may kimchi. Kasi kanina yung ginamit natin is kimchi paste. And ito naman, i-chop ko lang yung ating kimchi. Yung actual kimchi natin. Kasi I'm going to make a, sort of like a salsa. Para yun yung itatopping natin mamaya sa ating, or siya yung parang condiment sa ating main dish, which is our pork stew. Cooked in kimchi paste and Coke. And di ba yung mga Koreans, mahilig sila sa mga side dishes. So, we have one. And a bowl of rice. Okay na yun. You know, something simple, something home-cooked, something comforting. And yun yung gusto ni Aaron. Aaron and I go a long way. We started during the pandemic, right?
Yeah.
That was our first project. We shot, ano title?
My Favorite Kitchens, Cordillera.
Yeah, we shot My Favorite Kitchens, Cordillera. And sabi ng friend namin, si Toby, yun, going back to chemistry, sabi ng friend namin si Toby, Martin, there's this guy, and I think he's perfect for the job. Kasi yun nga, we wanted it to be super outdoorsy, and we really wanted to connect with the locals. Kikisama sa mga iba't ibang klaseng tao, kailangan may konting chemistry rin yun, di ba? Balik luto na tayo.
I'm just listening here and reflecting on lahat ng sinasabi mo.
Anyway, Chef Jeric, check na natin. Check mo nga kung malambot na. Kasi kung malambot na, hulog ko na yung carrots. Wala akong plano kanina na gawin ko siyang salsa. So, yung mali yung hiwa ko. Kung may... Kaya yun nga, alam mo yung life, hindi mo minsan maplano eh. Well, at least ako, pag hindi ko pa siya nagagawa, hindi ko pa talaga sabihin.
Tama lang.
Hirap eh. What if hindi matuloy? Or what if... Yeah, wala na akong sabi. Mga 30 minutes pa, no? Minimum, no? Matigas pa, no? Gusto mo i-high? Or okay lang, no? Okay na yun, ano? Sige. So, tapusin lang natin tong salsa na to. And then, chill na tayo.
Okay.
Okay, I think it's time to add the carrots. Ooh, look at that. It's reduced na. Ulog natin yung carrots. Then, maglalagay ako ng konting kimchi lang para gusto ko umalat pa ng konti. Malamot na siya. Okay, then I'll cover it again. While we're waiting for that, let us make the kimchi salsa. White onions, bell pepper, and over here, I'm gonna grab some chopped cilantro or coriander, some spring onions, Then, di ba pag gumagawa ka ng salsa, depende kung Italian or European, olive oil. Pero since Asian, sesame oil. Then, normally, lemon. Since Pinoy-ish, lamansi. Then, importante lang sa salsa talaga is to season it. Just use good salt, rock salt. Huwag ka gumamit ng iodized, especially sa salsa. And then, freshly cracked pepper. Okay, I'm so curious to taste this. I kind of detect like a nutty flavor. I think it's coming from the sesame oil. Okay, so if that's the case, let's add a little bit of sugar, a little bit of salt again, then a little bit of calamansi. When you taste it and if it's off, don't give up right away. Trying to figure out where it's coming from first, and then so that you know how to adjust it or how to fix it. There are times na hindi na talaga maayos. So, yun. Ito, kaya ko feeling pa naman, pwede pa naman to i-save. Pero next time, I won't use a strong sesame oil. I'll use the subtle one. Better. Kind of like freestyle cooking, and you go back and forth till you get the standard recipe for you. Okay, I'm gonna add this Korean barbecue. The reason why I'm adding it is because kanina nung konti pa lang yung Coke, nalamang yung kimchi paste and kimchi flavor, I liked it. Yung mali ko kanina is, though I think it was kind of like a situational thing kasi I didn't have enough liquid and I got carried away adding the Coke. But then again, guys, ito, tandaan nyo, sa pagluluto, hindi naman to life and death eh. And you're just cooking at home. And I'm just cooking for Aaron. And then, but again, wag yung pwede na. So, kanina, kaya napahawak ako neto. Nag-isip ako, paano ko siya mapabilog? Meaning, may nagtanong sa akin, chef, anong ibig sabihin ng bilog? Paano siya maging well-rounded yung lasa? Kasi kanina yun nga it was kind of like, may kulang or may sumobra eh. Kaya I'm adding the barbecue sauce, Korean barbecue sauce. Then, I'm adding gochujang. Konti lang because this is very spicy. So, ganito na lang guys. Pag nagluto kayo ng adobo, ano ang gusto nyo klaseng adobo? Gusto mo ba maalat maasim? Gusto mo ba matamis maasim? Or maasim matamis? Parang ganon. So, kanina, sorry ang haba ng, I'm just trying to explain to you yung thought process ko when I cook. Kanina talaga I was determined na gusto ko lamang na lamang yung kimchi. But then again, kita nyo naman yung kimchi na on hand ko, hindi sapat. So, anyway, fast forward guys. Bottom line, wag sumuko. Or wag yung, pwede na yan. Para siyang ngayon, yun nga, Korean barbecue stew na may konting twist ng Coke. Ito yung masarap, yung pata. Normally, pag gumagawa ng Korean barbecue, ginagamit ibang cut ng pork. Pwede rin guys, pata. Or, di ba yung kalbichim? Yun ba yun?
Kalbichim.
Beef yan, di ba?
Oh, okay.
So, ito naman may pagkaganon.
Oo, pork.
Pero pork, na hindi. Alright. Gusto mo, pwede na siguro sa'yo ito, or dagdagan ko pa?
Okay na yan.
Okay na to. Dagdagan natin ng carrots.
Yun.
Yung ating kimchi salsa. Konting greens lang. Alright, Aaron, you're ready to eat. Here you go, sir. Ito na yung inyong staff meal. So, meron tayong brown rice. Then, meron tayong yung ating pata na nilaga natin sa maraming ingredients. Enjoy. Kainin nyo na, sir, habang mainit pa.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Shit. The rice is really well cooked also. The perfectly cooked brown rice.
Thank you. Yung brown rice medyo tricky rin lutuin, no? Kasi it takes longer.
Yeah, because we have this at home and like it's usually not quite like it's usually a little bit too dry by the time it comes out. That looks nice.
Ito yung literally the tables have turned.
Literally. Yeah.
Ang bigat rin pala ng camera na to, no?
Yeah. Kaya kailangan malakas tayo kumain ng protina.
Nancy! That's Nancy.
Yeah. Yeah. Oo nga. Familiar Korean barbecue feeling. The meat's really nice. Just a nice, comforting meal.
Yeah.
Wow.
But it's pork, right?
Pork.
I think yung...
Oh.
I think sila Nancy gusto na rin kumain.
Yeah.
Naaamoy na nila.
So nice.
Thank you. I'm happy you enjoyed your meal. Alright. I'll see you next time.
Alright. Well, last na natin to for now yata. Pero, no way, basta invite mo ako, babalik ako.
Sige.
Alright.